Hello. This is the training video about processor executed. Processor executed is used to work through any problems, states, beliefs, emotions in general, to handle absolutely any mental material of almost any type. This is a completely universal module that will be widely used in the future for both manual material processing and fully automatic material processing in master's solutions. The meaning of its application is as follows. We point our attention to any problem. Hereinafter the word problem means any mental material that we want to deal with. We give a command to subconsciousness in the form of phrase executed, and subconsciousness starts working with this material and making some actions with it according to the algorithm described in the instructions. Now, I will focus on the range of applications of this processor. We can apply it to any mental material, like negative emotions, unpleasant thoughts, any beliefs or beliefs of any kind, past episodes, any emotional states, and even somatics such as headaches, with some limitations, though, so if something hurts, treat it instead of repeating executed, hoping for a miracle. The work is done by showing the subconscious mind the problem and saying the phrase executed. For example, I hate this freak executed, or I am incapable of success executed. How it works. Executed is, in fact, a kind of macro that launches a whole bunch of processes in the subconscious mind, the purpose of which is to process the selected mental material. This processor itself includes 7 different modules, and some of which are our own developments and synthesis of others' ideas. For simplicity, let us assume that we are processing a certain hypothetical problem called I hate John. So, after saying I hate John, which shows the subconscious mind the problem to be processed, and immediately after saying executed, the subconscious mind starts to do the following. It goes to its records of the past, and looks there for those episodes which were the source of the problem to be processed. It then processes these episodes, eliminating the charge they contain, by 2 different processing units. It tries, as much as possible, to divide the original problem into parts and process each of these parts with its own separate process, which speeds up the processing and gives better results. Using our hypothetical problem as an example, these parts might be: I hate the way he laughs. I don't like his mother. What a cheeky guy, and so on. The subconscious mind tries, as much as possible, to perform this breakdown automatically for us. A couple of other processing modules are used for processing. It's responsible for finding and processing all decisions and postulates we've ever made related to the material we're working with. This includes justifications, evaluations, and conclusions we've made in the past. The goal is to find and process decisions and postulates we made in the past that may still be influencing our lives today. If we have a problem with someone who has red hair, it could be because of a decision we made as a child to never trust people with red hair. This decision needs to be processed and neutralized in order to find a real solution to the problem. Next, the subconscious mind processes all opinions, beliefs, and beliefs we have about the material in question, as well as all people involved. It also handles any aspects of our personality that are involved in creating or being a consequence of the problem. Then, any resentments, unforgiveness, condemnations, claims, or other negative emotional charges we have related to the problem are processed and eliminated. Finally, we fill any empty space with white light to prevent new negative mental material from taking its place. Please subscribe to my channel.